I made a mistake. I made a really big mistake. Welcome to Picking and Punching. I am the Scoundrel Raw Grimes. I'm an independent professional wrestler, also modern day treasure hunter. And today we get another box from CGC. We're going to unbox. This one has a little unique story to it though. So I sent this in to CGC. This is the same day they changed their website. I always get my books pressed through CGC since I don't have a local presser. And I thought I had pressing selected. I went back, updated a couple of things, changed, removed some books, put some books back on. I must have somehow clicked off pressing, and I actually submitted my books to CGC without having them pressed. So I actually called CGC up, and the day that they were checked in, I said, hey, I made a mistake on my order. Can you please move these to pressing? I'll pay the difference. They told me no. And they said, let me go talk to the manager, give us a call back in a day or two. Call back a day or two. They said that they couldn't do it. Call back again, spoke to a third person. They said they would not move my books over the pressing. So this video is gonna go one of two different ways. Either A, I'm gonna be super pissed off, or B, maybe it's a blessing in disguise. We're gonna find out. So today, we're gonna answer the age-old question of what happens if you don't press your books before grading. Just to give you guys a heads up, I have not looked at any of these grades of these books yet. So I always wait to my unboxings to do that. I will show you guys first, and in the bottom corner here, I'll put a running tab of what the books are valued. I'm not gonna lie, I have never been so nervous to open up an order from CGC ever in my entire life. So wish me luck. All right, here we go. First book we got. What do we get? Doctor Strange. Wow. Okay. A 9.8. Okay. Well, that's one hell of a start. Was not expecting a 9.8 right off the bat. But Doctor Strange, number 381, at a 9.8. Donny Cates story. This is actually Loki becomes the new Sorcerer Supreme. So, cool book to have. All right. What do we got here? Show you guys first. And, okay. Ironheart, number 9. Actually got a 9.6. So, so far so good. Off to a lot better start than what I was expecting, but 9.6. All right, what do we got next? Show you guys first. And, ooh. Hellions, number 16. Got a 9.0. Oh yeah, see a little crease at the top corner here. Okay, that would not be pressable. So, yeah, Hellions, number 16 at 9.0. Variant cover of Psylocke. Cool book. Man, maybe I missed that earlier. But there's definitely a crease at the very top there, so justified 9.0. Would have been pressed out. So, looks like a color breaking crease. All right, what do we got next? What do we got? Marvel Comics Next Wave number 1. This is actually the Squadron Supreme preview. Inserts actually inside this. I definitely see some rub on the spine on that. But, yeah, 9.4. I have to see if there's any greater notes on this. But I don't see any pressable defects. I see a little, yeah, there's little spine ticks on the spine. All right, makes sense. 9.4. All right. What do we got? Oh, this is awesome right here. For those that don't know, this is X-Force Killshot Anniversary Special number 1. This is Linefield variant cover. I think it was a hidden gem variant, and I think if I'm not mistaken, it was either 1 in 50 or 1 in 100. So at 9.8, super happy about that one. All right, what do we got? X-Men #1, Variant Edition, Convention Edition, 9.6. So I do see a little spine tick on front. But yeah, that's a cool book. Convention edition. A lot of these books are going in personal collection. So yeah. All right, what do we got here? I just see big M&Ms on the back cover. Show you guys first. And Invincible Iron Man number 3. All right, 9.6. And I do see a little spine break and a little corner rub, but man, this is actually a lot better than what I was expecting so far. I thought that we would have a lot worse grades not getting them pressed. So, I don't know. I mean, we still got another bunch of books here to go, so let's find out. All right, what do we got next? Oh, Secret Invasion, New Avengers, number 40, at a 9.8. That is awesome. Spider-Woman revealed to be the Skull Queen. Super happy about that one. All right, what do we got here? All right. Oh, ah. Sherry number 6, white pages, an 8.0. Why did it get an 8.0? Oh. I see why. On the back corner here, there's actually a crease in the corner. So I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I'll have to take a close-up of that, but damn it. Unfortunately, those are things that you do miss every once in a while. You're in a hurry, maybe 7 books in, and you actually miss a couple marks on it. So an 8.0. Here we got, I think this is another Sherry book here. What do we get? Ooh, 9.2. Did I see any pressable defects? Do not. I do see a couple spine ticks, color breaking spine ticks actually. Damn. Back looks good, but yeah, 9.2, not what you want. So maybe our press would get a 9.4, but yeah, I mean, I don't see a big difference if it was going to be pressed or not. Oh, Gambit. Come on, give me a high grade on this one here. What do we get? Okay, Gambit number 1, a 9.6. I knew this one was not going to get a 9.8 because it had a little spine tick on there, but this is a great book for the PC. 9.6. So, big X-Men fan. What do we got? Oh, okay. Sam Wilson, number 6 is Captain America. 9.8. Not bad. Not bad. All right, what do we got here? Okay, I know this is a wrestling book because there's wrestling on the back of it. What do we get grade-wise? 9.8. Solar and Super Astro, number 1. This is a variant cover. If you guys are not familiar with Masked Republic, if you're a fan of Lucha Libre Wrestling, please go check out Masked Republic. They actually do all kind of different pro wrestling stuff, such as action figures, comic books, and they're all real limited. You're a fan of Lucha Bros, you're a fan of Conan, you're a fan of Rey Mysterio Jr., plenty of other luchadors. Check out Masked Republic. But 9.8 is awesome. Okay, this is another wrestling book here. What do we get? Oh, here we go. Solar and Super Astro. This is another variant cover. 9.8. All right. Check out that back. Pro Wrestling Tees ad. Has Lucha Underground, New Japan, Ring of Honor, Impact Wrestling on there. Pretty cool. So, definitely going into PC. All right, what do we got here? This is another wrestling book. Another 9.8. Conan and the Ambassadors. Number 1. This is the version edition. If I'm not mistaken, this was limited to 500. If you guys are not familiar with Conan, Conan is been all over wrestling, from WCW, Impact Wrestling, MLW, all over Mexico, AAA, CML. Conan was part of the New World Order, also known as K-Dog, so cool book. Definitely going into PC. All right, another pro wrestling book. What we get? Another 9.8. This is the another one, Conan and the Ambassadors #1. This is the action figure variant cover. Pretty badass freaking cover. Love this book. Definitely stay in the PC. And last book, what do we got here? This is King of Black #2 variant edition, I think. So it says on the back. What do we get? Oh, King of Black #2. This is awesome. This is the Comic Traders exclusive. The Virgin cover is awesome. Huge Venom fan, so this book is great. Reminds me of the old Web of Spider-Man cover with Spider-Man from the Tombstone, so pretty cool book. All right, so thank God that these are all new books, so the pressing, not pressing didn't hurt me too bad here. But I mean, let's go through and see what we got here. I mean, well, 9.8, Conan 9.8. We got another 9.8 Luchador book. Another 9.8. 9.8. Man, we got a lot of 9.8s in this box. 9.8. We got 9.6 for Gambit there. 9.2 Shuri and an 8.0, which was the biggest disappointment in this entire box. Okay, this is probably the best book in this whole box, in my opinion. The New Avengers #40. Got Invincible Iron Man #3, 9.6. Got X-Men #1, 9.6. Got X-Force 9.8. Got a 9.4, 9.0, 9.6, and a 9.8. So I guess you guys consider this a little mini experiment here. It actually didn't work out as bad as I thought it was going to be. You know, we got one book under 9, 9.0, so it was 8.0. We did get a 9.0, one 9.0, one 9.2, one 9.4. We got 4 9.6s and 9 9.8s. So overall, can't complain. Maybe lost money on 2 or 3 books, but the rest of the stuff, it turned out 10 times better than what I expected. So I guess if you're sending your books in and they are new, I always recommend pressing your books. Don't make the same mistake that we made here sending these in. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and check out this other unboxing video that we did from CGC. And until next time, guys,